Arnie, thank you so much for having us. What a party. I walked in, I smelled the smells, I got the beer. I'm happy to be here.
We're happy that you're here too.
Tell me about Made for Fire.
Made for Fire, this is our first annual event, first time we've ever done an event like this. This is open fire cooking, and it's really all a South Texas flavor, if we want to call it that. This is just kind of the way that we live and breathe and eat here in South Texas, and we wanted to share that with the world.
So who is this for? Is it for someone that's never cooked before? Is it for the ones that are competing? Can anyone come?
Anybody can come to one of these events, and it's for anybody that wants to learn how to cook either open fire, how to make carne guisada in a Dutch oven, how to make carnitas outdoors. We want to show people how to do all of that, and it's just more fun when it's a hands-on. We want them to feel like their family. When somebody says barbecue in South Texas, it's usually fajitas.
Yeah.
All right, and this is what we call the money shot. We always got to do this. Steaks are always hot and fast. Today we're cooking what they call sirloin fajitas, which is actually flat meat, but it's a very fajita meat here in South Texas.
I'm the flipper, right? What's my technique?
You pick it up from one side and then just lay it down the other way.
Okay.
I call that the flippity flip technique.
What do you think? Did I
I think
pass?
you did an awesome job.
Okay.
We have a couple of really great cooks out here. They're all friends of mine, and one of them is my little brother.
We got some tripas going on here today. You know, kind of a family staple, a family tradition.
And what's the way you're cooking it?
We normally cook it with a disco, throw some water in there, we'll boil them out, and then we let them cook in the grease, fry them up, and vámonos.
I got a crispy
Right?
piece. That's good.
Yes,
Tell me what's going on these pits over here.
This is an old style cooking that what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring it back. This is part of our heritage. We got some cabritos, and they're cooked very, very slow. You know, just on the rotisserie, we turn them on a 45 degrees. We make these on Pro Pit braseras. We make them here locally.
Then we have Sandra, and she is what we call the pan de campo queen.
The bread.
Tender?
Anita's restaurant from here, they're making the tortillas.
And we'll just put a little bit of Furia's butter on it, just like that.
Ooh, it's nice and
They're
hot.
nice and hot.
That's perfect.
Oh yeah.
I also have Clemente Rosales here from Rosales Catering. So he made rice and beans for us and aguas frescas.
That's delicious. Muy sabrosa.
Today we got a real traditional meal that we do out here at the ranch. It's called pork carnitas.
That's the test of a true pitmaster.
Yeah, you could tell.
You just grab the meat.
I have no fingerprints. Yeah,
That's the money shot right there.
that's the money shot right there.
Like you said, crispy on the outside, nice and juicy on the inside. Not often do I see a whole pig. Tell me about the style of cooking you have.
We've always barbecued since we were kids,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And my dad was a fabricator, and he built his own stuff. That's where I took over, and this is where I'm at with the whole, I'm just gonna barbecue in my backyard right now.
It turns into this. Can you show me how this works?
This design, I mean, it's so easy that if we want to turn our pig, we just turn it. And if we need to, you know, cook maybe more up on the top side or the bottom side, depending where our heat is, then we can just turn it again.
Whoa.
Made for fire!